wanted to show you guys an example of how the Rivnuts actually work, because it's kind of hard to show you what happens on the other side of the van. So we set up a little workstation so we can show you an example. If you've seen our other video, this metal piece came from the roof of the van when we cut a hole for the fan, and we also, it's been through a lot. We sprayed it with the Rhino lining, truck bed liner stuff, and now we're going to use it to show you how the Rivnut tool works and how the drill works. And if you see, this is an example of the wrong drill bit. Woody tried to drill a hole earlier because we wanted to see how it would work out, and look how awful that is. The metal's all up on the sides. So now we're going to show you what the proper drill bit looks like.
So first I'm going to get a starter hole. So that gives the drill bit a little bit of a place to rest and start. Clamp this down just so it stays put. So the type of drill bit that you want is called a step bit. This one starts at 1/4 inch, goes all the way up to 3/4 of an inch, and basically it just steps its way through, progressing the hole wider and wider. So for an example one, we are going to use, I believe this is a 3/8 inch Rivnut, very big. The reason I'm using this as an example is because I don't think I'll use a lot of these, and I need my smaller ones. So in order to fit the 3/8 bit in, I have to drill up to 9/16, which is 1 step above 1/2 inch. Should be 9/16. I also purchased this Rexbet Rivnut tool, which is super simple. You basically just open legs, screw the Rivnut on, and then as you close, it'll apply pressure and pinch that down. So it just goes in the hole. Oh, maybe not. Hold please. Just gonna squeeze, and then you twist it out.
See how it kind of looks like a little mushroom now? How it just squished it out? And so now that's not going anywhere. And the point of these is there's threads in there. And so now you can put a bolt in there. Genius in my opinion, right babe?
Brilliant.